Welcome to the best picks. The best snow plow is probably one of the most efficient ways to clear snow from your property using your ATV. This video will guide you through the essential aspects of selecting the perfect snow plow, ensuring you can tackle winter's worst with ease. We'll cover everything from blade types and sizes to mounting systems and durability, helping you make an informed decision for a hassle-free snow removal experience. Number 5. Kolpin ATV Switchblade Plow, 17-0000. This complete plow system comes in one box, making it easy to get started. It requires a winch or manual lift, which are sold separately. This makes it a convenient choice for your UTV. The stamped steel blade technology allows you to adjust the width. You can choose between 48 or 60 inches, providing flexibility for different tasks. This feature ensures it can handle various snow removal needs. It features a robust square tube steel chassis. Strategically placed reinforcements add to its durability. This ensures it can withstand tough conditions and last for years. The plow offers a 5-position blade angle. This allows you to easily adjust the blade to the desired angle. This feature enhances its versatility and efficiency. It includes an easy-to-assemble and install universal underbody mount. You can set it up in under an hour. This saves you time and effort, getting you ready to plow quickly. What we like. This plow features an adjustable width, allowing you to customize it for different snow conditions and your ATV. The robust steel chassis ensures durability and longevity, meaning it can handle tough jobs. If you are looking for a versatile and durable plow that's easy to set up, this is a great choice. What people say. Good heavy-duty plow. It worked like a champ. Product is heavy-duty and good for grading a gravel driveway as well as plowing snow. Number 4. Extreme Max UniPlow 50 ATV Plow System. This is the Extreme Max UniPlow system. It's designed for lighter duty or residential use. The system includes everything you need for efficient snow removal. The UniPlow features a 50-inch multi-position blade. It has a bolt-together design. This blade includes a wear bar and adjustable skid pads. The push tube mounts to the ATV frame behind the wheels. This design transfers the plowing force effectively. This ensures smooth and efficient plowing. The universal plow mount fits most ATV models. It offers a quick-release mechanism. This allows for easy attachment and removal in seconds. All components have a durable black powder coat finish. The UniPlow comes with a 1-year warranty. It's built to last and perform. Need to use the UniPlow with multiple ATVs? Additional mounting kits are available. Check out the UniMount kit and other model-specific options. What we like. This plow boasts a UniMount quick-release system, allowing for incredibly fast attachment and removal. The frame-mounted push-tube design transfers plowing force effectively. If you value convenience and efficiency, especially if you have multiple ATVs, this plow's quick-release system will save you valuable time. What people say. As far as the fitment to the ATV, this is where I was truly amazed. I used this on a small Bayou 220, and even though the frame was not big it still bolted right up. This is where they really thought this plow through. The mounting bracket has room to move the bolts to where the frame is, and comes with either U-bolts for round frames or steel plates to sandwich the plate and bracket to the frame with bolts. Once I got the brackets bolted with the U-bolts and tightened, it was not going anywhere. And because it has the quick release pins, taking the plow on and off is a snap, literally 2 minutes and you could change it. Assembly was straightforward with a well-written set of instructions and illustrations. I couldn't ask for a better set of installation assembly instructions. After laying out the parts, the plow was assembled in about an hour. Fitting the mounting plate to the ATV seemed like the most time-consuming part only because I had to locate and drill 2 holes and cut 2 notches in the skid plate for the U-bolts to pass through. Attachment of the plow unit to the mount really couldn't be easier. Line up the holes, slide in 2 pins, and clip your winch hook to the attachment point and you're done. Literally takes under a minute to attach and detach the plow. Number 3. KUAFU 48 Universal Snow Plow Blade Kit. Introducing the KUAFU Snow Plow Blade Kit, a universal solution for your ATV. This kit includes everything you need to tackle snow removal with ease. It's designed for durability and ease of use. The blade is constructed from heavy-duty steel, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. It's built to last, providing reliable performance season after season. This will be your best choice. Featuring a 48-inch wide blade with a 5-position angle adjustment. You can easily adjust the blade to direct snow where you need it. This gives you greater control over your plowing. This kit is compatible with a wide range of ATVs, including Honda, Kawasaki, and Polaris models. The universal mount kit ensures a secure fit. It is easy to install. The push tube features an ergonomic pivot handle for improved leverage. It attaches quickly to your ATV for better plowing control. This makes the plowing process more comfortable. The package includes the blade, push tube, and universal mount kit. You will receive 2 packages. This kit provides everything you need to get started. What we like. This plow features a heavy-duty steel blade for tackling tough snow. The ergonomic pivot handle offers improved leverage. If you need a reliable plow that's easy to control and fits a wide range of ATVs, this is a solid option. What people say. Bought for my Suzuki Eiger last year. It's been a good plow this past winter. We had 3 feet of snow during one storm and it went through like a hot knife through butter. This plow works great on my Honda 350 Rancher. Installation to the 4-wheeler itself wasn't bad, and I didn't have to make any modifications to the bike itself. It made clearing snow a breeze and was quick doing it. I have had 0 issues with it. Number 2. ECOTRIC 48 ATV Snow Plow Blade Universal Kit. This complete kit includes everything you need, the blade, push tube, and a universal mount kit. It's designed to make snow removal easy and efficient for your ATV. The blade is made from heavy-duty stamped steel, ensuring durability and longevity. This robust construction allows it to handle tough snow conditions with ease. The push tube features an ergonomic pivot handle for improved leverage. It also has a quick pin attachment for easy connection to your ATV's underbody mounts, giving you better plowing control. The blade size is 48 wide and 17 high, with a 20 wide mounting system. It offers a 5-position angle adjustment, allowing you to customize the plowing angle to suit your needs. The mid-mount kit is designed to work with the mid-mount ATV push tube. Please note that it may require drilling for ATVs with welded skid plates and is not compatible with Can-Am Outlander models. You will receive one 48-blade complete universal kit package. This comprehensive kit is designed to get you ready for winter. What we like. This plow comes with a heavy-duty stamped steel blade and a universal kit for easy installation. The ergonomic pivot handle provides improved leverage. If you are looking for a complete, easy-to-install solution, this is a great choice. What people say. It works very well. It looks just like pictured and is heavier duty than I thought it would be. It operates with ease as far as side to side, and of course you need a winch to pick it up and down. Number 1. Polaris Glacier Pro 52 inches Steel Plow Blade. Introducing the Polaris Glacier Pro. It features lock and ride technology, allowing for tool-free installation and removal. Cleaning is also a breeze with this innovative design. This plow blade is made of sturdy steel, ready to tackle the toughest jobs. The durable construction ensures it can handle challenging conditions, season after season. The blade carves a wide path through snow and drifts. This allows you to get the job done more efficiently, saving you time and effort. Its extra tall design keeps snow from spilling over the top. This feature lets you pile it even higher, maximizing your plowing capacity. This product is specifically designed for several Polaris ATV models. Please check the product description for vehicle fitment or contact us with your VIN to verify it fits your specific vehicle. What we like. This plow utilizes lock and ride technology for tool-free installation and removal. The sturdy steel construction ensures it can handle the toughest plowing jobs. If you own a compatible Polaris ATV and want a plow that's easy to install and built to last, this is the one for you. What people say. The plow is very easy to install. The plow works great and is easy to use. The plow is well built and very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.